can make bread! These have to be prepared for cooking. You have to chop off the pincers, head, legs, and tail. Especially the tail. Gives you the runs something fierce.
But the guide said it was safe to eat.
You won't die, but it tastes like ass. Next, you have to slice the sucker up so it heats even and the juices can seep out. This way you get all the flavor. It's easier to eat this way. Then you pull out the innards like so. They're bitter and the texture's all wrong. As for the walking mushroom, skin it and lose the butt. Save the feet and throw them in the pot. They're delish. Your pot's not big enough, though. So, we'll use mine.
You're weirdly prepared.
It'll be bland with just the scorpion and mushroom. Add this.
Hold on! You can't put those in!
Why not?
There's no way I'm eating that! You see those? Those are corpses! I'll eat a monster if I have to, but not plants from a graveyard! Tell him this tastes great on its
Marcel!
own! Who the hell are you anyway?
Can't eat these raw. You first have to wash it with hot water and a splash of citrus juice. Then you can either pat it dry or rub some salt on it and let it dry in the sun. After that, you got yourself one high-quality ingredient. If you can, starve one for 2 weeks, then dry it. I promise that taste is worth the wait. By the way, this is a portable slime dryer I made myself. Just lock it in there like so, and it'll dry out nicely as you're walking around. It'll be a while before that one's good. But this one's ready to go.
Oh.
We'll add it to your pot.
Thanks, but can you spare it?
Sure. You don't know how happy I am to have found someone else who's as into monster food as I am. I've been studying the monsters in here and how to cook them up for over 10 years now.
10 years?
Has this dungeon been around for that long?
I'll have this ready in a bit.